your wellness boost. Did you know a simple cup of green tea or matcha can transform your day? Their vibrant green hues aren't just beautiful, they're packed with powerful benefits. Let's explore why these superfoods are a must-have for your wellness journey. Looking to feel more energized? Green tea and matcha are known to rev up your metabolism. These natural wonders help your body burn calories more efficiently, making them perfect companions to a healthy lifestyle. Green tea and matcha are antioxidant powerhouses. They fight harmful free radicals in your body, supporting glowing skin, strong immunity, and overall vitality. Just one sip offers a strong defense against aging and stress. Feeling foggy? Matcha's natural compound L-theanine works with caffeine to deliver sustained focus without the jitters. Green tea offers similar benefits, keeping your mind calm and alert, the perfect combination for busy days. It's time to bring green tea and matcha into your routine. Start your day with a matcha latte or unwind with green tea in the evening. Like, share, and follow for more tips on living your healthiest life. Add these green gems to your journey today.